Okay, hello. I wanted to show you unboxing new iPad mini 2021. Very nice smart iPad which can you fit in a small bag. This is a version without cellular. So let's see what we have inside. Apple stickers, fast instruction, which shows you basic screen flows. Along with iPad, I have also both Apple Pencil to have full usage experience. The iPad is perfect to draw or write, for example on PDFs. iPad is fabric ready to first start, including restore from iCloud, set from example from your iPhone, so whole process is painless. So thanks for watching, thumb up, subscribe and comment.